Welcome to the Mixed Operations Quiz. Let's have fun adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Get ready to play. 1. What is 6 times 8? Is it A, 45, B, 53, C, 48, or D, 43? Correct answer is C, 48. There are 6 groups of 8 fairies in a jungle. Altogether, there are 48 fairies ready to start a dancing contest. 2. What is 11 plus 11? Is it A, 29, B, 25, C, 17, or D, 22? Correct answer is D, 22. If you have 11 pirates and your friend brings 11 more pirates, you now have 22 pirates in the forest, and they create a flying machine. 3. What is 12 plus 9? Is it A, 18, B, 24, C, 21, or D, 19? Correct answer is C, 21. If you have 12 robots and your friend brings 9 more robots, you now have 21 robots in the forest, and they have a funny race. 4. What is 36 divided by 9? Is it A, 2, B, 11, C, 4, or D, 1? Correct answer is C, 4. 36 wizards in the forest were divided into 9 groups. Each group has 4 wizards who build a sandcastle competition. 5. What is 29 minus 13? Is it A, 13, B, 9, C, 16, or D, 23? Correct answer is C, 16. You had 29 fairies in a magic castle, but 13 fairies flew away. Now you have 16 fairies left to cook a giant pizza. 6. What is 48 divided by 6? Is it A, 1, B, 5, C, 6, or D, 8? Correct answer is D, 8. 48 dinosaurs in the forest were divided into 6 groups. Each group has 8 dinosaurs who build a roller coaster. 7. What is 24 minus 8? Is it A, 19, B, 9, C, 16, or D, 23? Correct answer is C, 16. You had 24 chefs in the forest, but 8 chefs flew away. Now you have 16 chefs left to create a flying machine. 8. What is 49 divided by 7? Is it A, 4, B, 10, C, 7, or D, 9? Correct answer is C, 7. 49 astronauts on a pirate ship were divided into 7 groups. Each group has 7 astronauts who create a flying machine. 9. What is 15 plus 13? Is it A, 23, B, 30, C, 25, or D, 28? Correct answer is D, 28. If you have 15 wizards and your friend brings 13 more wizards, You now have 28 wizards in a magic castle, and they discover hidden treasures. 10. What is 40 divided by 5? Is it A, 3, B, 6, C, 8, or D, 11? Correct answer is C, 8. 40 astronauts in the forest were divided into 5 groups. Each group has 8 astronauts who have a funny race. 11. What is 4 times 8? Is it A, 37, B, 39, C, 30, or D, 32? Correct answer is D, 32. There are 4 groups of 8 fairies at a beach. Altogether, there are 32 fairies ready to throw a giant party. 12. What is 7 times 7? Is it A, 54, B, 52, C, 49, or D, 51? Correct answer is C, 49. There are 7 groups of 7 wizards in a magic castle. Altogether, there are 49 wizards ready to throw a giant party. 13. What is 22 minus 7? Is it A, 15, B, 12, C, 8, or D, 22? Correct answer is A, 15. You had 22 superheroes guarding a candy factory. 7 went on a rescue mission. Now 15 superheroes are still there, planning a treasure. 14. What is 32 divided by 4? Is it A, 15, B, 13, C, 8, or D, 6? Correct answer is C, 8. 32 rabbits in the forest were divided into 4 groups. Each group has 8 rabbits who they build a sandcastle competition. 15. What is 9 times 5? Is it A, 40, B, 38, C, 45, or D, 48? Correct answer is C, 45. There were 9 teams of 5 superheroes. Together, 45 heroes started building a giant ice cream machine to save the summer. 16. What is 5 times 7? Is it A, 35, B, 42, C, 37, or D, 40? Correct answer is A, 35. There are 5 groups of 7 fairies in a magic castle. Altogether, there are 35 fairies ready to have a funny race. 17. What is 30 minus 12? Is it A, 18, B, 11, C, 16, or D, 21? Correct answer is A, 18. You had 30 pirates at a beach, but 12 pirates flew away. Now you have 18 pirates left to create a flying machine. 18. What is 8 times 4? Is it A, 30, B, 32, C, 37, or D, 29? Correct answer is B, 32. There are 8 groups of 4 rabbits in the forest. Altogether, There are 32 rabbits ready to throw a giant party. 19. What is 7 times 5? Is it A, 30, B, 38, C, 40, or D, 35? Correct answer is D, 35. You had 7 boxes, and each box had 5 rubber chickens inside. That's a total of 35 squawking chickens. What a noisy mess! 20. What is 23 minus 8? Is it A, 15, B, 8, C, 20, or D, 13? Correct answer is A, 15. You had 23 jelly beans. Then a silly robot came and ate 8 of them. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Now you only have 15 jelly beans left. Better hide them next time. 21. What is 9 times 4? Is it A, 41, B, 33, C, 43, or D, 36? Correct answer is D, 36. You had 9 silly monkeys and each one was holding 4 bananas. That's 36 bananas in total. But guess what? None of them wanted to share. Cheeky monkeys! 22. What is 7 times 8? Is it A, 49, B, 54, C, 59, or D, 56? Correct answer is D, 56. There are 7 groups of 8 superheroes on a pirate ship. Altogether, there are 56 superheroes ready to open a colorful zoo. 23. What is 12 plus 11? Is it A, 30, B, 36, C, 28, or D, 23? Correct answer is D, 23. If you have 12 rabbits and your friend brings 11 more rabbits, you now have 23 rabbits on Mars, and they open a colorful zoo. 24. What is 36 divided by 4? Is it A, 9, B, 12, C, 14, or D, 7? Correct answer is A, 9. 36 rabbits in a jungle were divided into 4 groups. Each group has 9 rabbits and they build a roller coaster. 25. What is 15 plus 9? Is it A, 17, B, 24, C, 26, or D, 29? Correct answer is B, 24. If you have 15 dinosaurs and your friend brings 9 more dinosaurs, you now have 24 dinosaurs in a magic castle, and they start a dancing contest. 26. What is 35 divided by 5? Is it A, 12, B, 10, C, 7, or D, 2? Correct answer is C, 7. 35 robots in a magic castle were divided into 5 groups. Each group has 7 robots that cook a giant pizza. 27. What is 54 divided by 6? Is it A, 9, B, 4, C, 6, or D, 14? Correct answer is A, 9. 54 hamsters at a beach were divided into 6 groups. Each group has 9 hamsters who discover hidden treasures. 28. What is 8 times 7? Is it A, 63, B, 58, C, 56, or D, 49? Correct answer is C, 56. You had 8 birthday parties, and at each one there were 7 slices of cake. That's 56 slices of yummy chocolatey cake. But now you need a nap and maybe a toothbrush. 29. What is 8 times 5? Is it A, 43, B, 45, C, 37, or D, 40? Correct answer is D, 40. There are 8 groups of 5 wizards in a magic castle. Altogether, there are 40 wizards ready to build a roller coaster. 30. What is 42 divided by 6? Is it A, 7, B, 9, C, 2, or D, 14? Correct answer is A, 7. You had 42 stickers, and you wanted to share them with 6 friends. Each friend got 7 stickers, and everyone danced like it was sticker party time. Yay! You finished the quiz! Thank you for watching. Did you have fun? Then give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. More Math Magic is coming soon!